Hey, hello everyone. So, surprise Sunday. I think everyone may have been gone through the announcement what we have done already. So, I hope you all will be excited for tomorrow Surprise Sunday. Surprise Sunday is actually what we were having from quite a long time in our head, but we haven't introduced this till now. So, I think it's never late. Let's have a experience from tomorrow. Surprise Sunday is basically it's like a routine breaker for the all Beyond Knowing participants, because commonly we are following same 10 p.m. 10 p.m. game and the same routine we are following. So in some of the Sundays we are going to implement this Surprise Sunday, not in every Sunday. Where whenever we are going to implement the Surprise Sunday, we'll announce in prior. Okay. So anyways, tomorrow is the first Surprise Sunday of the Beyond Knowing history, and with the cutoff time of 7 p.m. Okay, this cutoff time will be different in every different Surprise Sunday. Okay, whenever we are announcing the Surprise Sunday, we will also announce the cutoff time. So tomorrow's cutoff time is 7 p.m. The main rule of the Surprise Sunday, the main like the essence of the Surprise Sunday is like, the surprise in the Surprise Sunday is like, game can be ended up सरप्राइजिंगली आफ्टर एनी टाइम आफ्टर द कट ऑफ टाइम. सो कट ऑफ टाइम अगर 7 बजे है तो उसके बाद सरप्राइजिंगली गेम कभी भी एंड हो जाएगा. इट कैन बी 7 PM एग्जैक्टली ऑल्सो, 8, 9, 10 और एनी टाइम इन बिटवीन ऑल्सो it can be ended up. Okay, so this is the greatest surprise of the Surprise Sunday. So in this, one suggestion is there: try to keep your all points completed before the cutoff time. Okay, that is the one point. After this, in Surprise Sunday, the next part of the Surprise Sunday is like it will be applicable for all the pools commonly. It was asked in the comment box also, so I think we have answered over there. So I think I am answering over here. The other point is, in Surprise Sunday, you will be having game time after the cutoff time. Okay, like usually we are following game time after 9:30. Okay, after 9:30 we are not following any rules for the we are not keeping any rules for the Sukshma score points. Whereas in Surprise Sunday, after the cutoff time, you can follow the game time. Like there won't be any rule follows for the Sukshma score points. But whereas importantly, regularly we are following Sukshma score points should not go more than 0.20. 0.20 से ज़्यादा Sukshma score points 9:30 से पहले नहीं होने चाहिए. But in Surprise Sunday, we'll keep this window up to 0.40 points. Okay, so आप Surprise Sundays में cut off time से पहले, before the cut off time, you can maximally keep your Sukshma score points up to 0.40. So this is also a new rule in the Surprise Sundays. Okay, so I think these are the two major technical changes in the Surprise Sundays. After this, the another exciting change in the Surprise Sunday is, that is not a change, but that is a reward. Okay, like in Surprise Sundays, we are going to reward top 3 best participants, top 3 best scorers, top 3 scorers of each pool. Okay, of each pool, with this separate 1,500 and 300 rupees of Amazon gift vouchers. Okay, but here we have one rule, that pool must have minimum participation of 25 students. Okay, so I think some Harshit Mangal have asked in the comment box like why this rule is there. So this rule is like we have answered in the comment box also. This rule is just because to make sure like there should be some fight in the pool, na? If there is only like 10 or less than 10 or something, somewhere like this students are, there won't be any fight. So until fight is not there, I think we cannot call it as reward, है ना? So minimum 25 participation is important for having this extra rewards. Your regular rewards will be given up as it is what you are getting it on a daily basis. Okay, so this is another point. And another question in the comment box was asked like merging the pool. So merging the pool we can't do, Harshit and everyone else, we can't merge the pools. We were following this strategy like a year ago, but now we won't be following this thing, because every pool participants have a different constraints. So merging pool is not possible. We won't be doing it. So I think these are the only important points regarding the Surprise Sunday. I hope I have covered again all the points, and if you have still some doubts, feel free to do a comment and we will have a discussion over there. ठीक है, so I think कोई भी डाउट है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में दोबारा से कमेंट कर दो, बट आई एम श्योर कि आप सबको क्लियर हो गया होगा. इट्स वेरी सिंपल थिंग्स and mostly like you all will be enjoying it from tomorrow. So next time whenever we have a surprise Sunday, we'll announce in advance. Okay, so till then, bye, all the best for tomorrow, take care.